Hello dear students, welcome to e-learning classes of P.N.AMERSEY High School. We will continue with our chapter number 11, perimeter and area. Now let us continue with our exercise 11.4 question number 5. A path 1 meter wide is built along the border and inside a square garden of side 30 meter. Find first the area of the path, second the cost of planting grass in the remaining portion of the garden at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. Now students, here first understand what is given in the question. Here a square garden with side 30 meter is given and a path of 1 meter is to be built along the border and inside a square garden. This is inside of the square garden. This much is the square garden whose length is 30 meter, and inside the square garden a 1 meter wide path is to be built, and here inside the garden we have to plant grass. So first we have to find out the area of this path, and then we have to find out the cost of planting the grass in the remaining portion of the garden. So here students, as it's given in the question that the side of the square garden is 30 meter, and to find out the area of the path, first we will find out the area of the square garden. Area of the garden equals to side into side, that is 30 into 30, that is 900 meter square. Now students, as it is given that a 1 meter wide path is to be built inside the square garden, so to find out the area of this inside garden, first we will find out the length of the side of the inside garden. Here this much side is of 30 meter, this much road path is of 1 meter, and this much is of also 1 meter. So we will subtract this 1 meter and this 1 meter from 30 meter to get the length of this side. After getting the length of this side, we will find out the area of this inside garden, and by subtracting the area of the outer garden and inner garden, we will get the area of the path. Now students, width of the park is equals to 1 meter, length of the garden excluding path equals to 30 minus 1 will be 28 meter. Now as it's a square garden, so length and breadth both will be same. So we first will find out the area of the inner garden. Area of inner garden equals to side into side, that is 28 into 28. By multiplying 28 by 28 we will get 784 meter square. Now area of path equals to area of outer garden minus area of inner garden. Area of outer garden which we calculated was 900, and area of inner garden which we calculated now is 784. By subtracting 784 from 900, we will get 116 meter square. Now students, in the second part it was asked the cost of planting the grass in the remaining portion of the garden at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. Students, in the remaining portion of the garden we have to plant grass, and we have to find out the cost of planting the grass. So the area of the remaining garden was 784 meter square, which we calculated earlier, and cost of planting the grass in 1 meter square of the garden is rupees 40. It's given in the question. So cost of planting the grass in 784 meter square of the garden will be 784 multiplied by 40. By multiplying it we will get 31,360 rupees. Therefore, the cost of planting grass in 784 meter square of the garden is rupees 31,360 rupees. Students, with this we end our today's video and will continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.